Krea has launched K2, a brand new image model that's now available for everyone, and this model is a little bit different. All models now really excel when it comes to realism and those smaller details. When it comes to Krea K2, it actually dives a little bit more into the abstract. You can create some really interesting, wild, and crazy images with this model with your prompts, more similar to a Midjourney, which I think gives it its own really special place when it comes to all the image tools that we have at the moment. Even if you were to compare the same prompt from K2 to other models out there, there's just this different creative feel with it, which makes it stand out. And what's really cool with this new release from Krea K2 is not only can you create these images, but you can also train a mood board based on those images as well. The model works really fast. You can generate really quickly. You can generate many images at a time across different aspect ratios, and the ones that you like, you can save them to a mood board. These mood boards are a collection of similar images that you have created, something that you maybe like the style of, and you can actually train the whole mood board to create more images based on that style. You can upload a ton of images to mood boards as well if you want to really dial in on a specific style, or you can just drop in a couple ideas you have, and Krea K2 will actually start to generate more and different ideas for you to add in. What I like about this process is that once you get a good image style, something about it that really works for you, you can train a mood board and just reference it to create more images similarly in that same style, whether it is a fog or a darker blue background kind of style, mist, something about speed or motion blurs, something about glitch artifacts, or anything along those lines. K2 does really well at analyzing it and putting in the correct keywords. Krea isn't just only for images though. You can bring any of your images into the video step as well. With all the latest video models available, you can now test your very unique created images here with models such as Cdance 2.0. You can get some really unique looking video as a result of it. The tips when starting with Krea K2 is start with just your basic prompts, but you can see there are a lot of example keywords that you can start throwing in here on the side. You can put in keywords that really match what you're trying to do from the recommended list. You can also put things in to tell it what not to do as well. I recommend playing around with this as well as the aspect ratios to really see the power of how creative these different style of images are before creating your mood board. Mood boards have for me have just been the most fun because you can really even put together a wild array of different images all at once, make it trained on that mood board, and then see some really interesting images and video come out of it. The consistency as well is a huge part of it too. If you have a mood board with a similar style image and you put 10 or 15 of those in, whatever you create with it will look very consistent and honestly quite surreal at the same time. Really fun to see an image model go down a more creative, abstract kind of pathway away from the realism that we have out there. The model does really well when it comes to text as well, and all these different elements that you can throw in to make it something that's quite unique to you. I recommend going in and trying Krea K2. It's a lot of fun.